How to fix microphone not working on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you simply need to do is make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. As you do that, launch the Play Store application on your device. On the Play Store, what you simply need to do is search for Snapchat just to make sure you have an updated version of the Snapchat application. So tap on Snapchat, and as you do that you will be able to see if there are any updates available. Since we do not have the option of update, which means we have the latest version of the Snapchat application, so we can simply go back and make a long press on the Snapchat application. Tap on app info, and as you tap on app info you'll be able to see the different options on the page over here. Simply scroll down and tap on app permissions. Here, make sure that you have given access to microphone to the Snapchat application. Here you can see it has been allowed. So let's get back, and if that doesn't work out, you can just make a long press on power button, tap on reboot and restart the device, and that might as well help you out. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.